TripleChip here. This is Unbox the Box. I haven't done them for a while. I've been just concentrating on my food channel, which is, if you haven't seen it already, it's Down the Hatch 2. TripleChip's Down the Hatch 2. So I thought I better start doing some of these. So I got the Food Saver, the #1 vacuum sealing system in the world. It's the FS005. It comes with, get this little doodad, which is simply, well, it plugs onto here, and then if you had the containers, this goes onto it and it sucks all the air out of it. But the containers, I was just looking them up, but I haven't bought the containers yet because they're pretty expensive. Like, for example, that's what I'm talking about. For the containers, are pretty pricey, so I'm just waiting for them to come on sale and get like a multi-pack, maybe Costco or something. And the bags, when I bought mine, they come with the extra bags, come with the longer ones. This was thrown in as a bonus. You get the big bags, 3 of these, and 2 of the shorter ones. But now, like, unless you still have the bonus, the thing of bags would cost you, a similar box like that is about $50, so they're not really cheap. But the #1 perk to the system is, if you use even the best freezer Ziplocs, it just shows you an example here. You throw a steak in there and it'll just get freezer burnt a lot quicker, but once you draw all the air out of it, it can probably stay in the freezer probably twice as long. So if you want to save money, especially how expensive food is nowadays. So what we're going to do here, we'll just move this. That's all that was in the box. Take these bags out of the way. So on top of getting this piece with it, you get no containers, but it gives you a few sample bags with the instructions. So I'm not going to even show you that. I'm just going to show you how it actually works. I always just use these toilet paper roll things for my cords. We'll just plug this in. Okay, we've got power to it now. Pretty sure it doesn't look lit up. Why is that not on? There's a switch on here. Okay. I think it's supposed to automatically power up for you. Oh, there. So that's what you got to do. The power won't come on. You got your speed, accessory port, that's this. Dry, moist, pulse, seal, and back seal. So you have to simply go to store and then operate, and then you have your power, which seals the machine. So first what we're going to do, this lifts up. I'm just going to run some bag through it. So I need approximately, I got bacon, I'm only going to use half a pack, but this I want to seal up because I might not use it for a few days, so I don't want it to go back. Everything's so expensive nowadays. So it's roughly about the length of this, a little bit longer, so we're just going to go just a little bit back. This comes in one continuous roll. So we'll put it a little bit longer because, you know, when I used this before, if you go too short, you can't make the seal properly. So we'll go about there. There's a handy slicer in here that zips it off. And that is about the right length for it. These two sides are sealed. So what we're going to do here, I'll just show you. It's open all the way through here. So we're going to seal one of these ends up, slide the bacon in, put the other side in, and then when we do the vacuum process, it's going to suck this right down tight. So first we got to seal this one side shut. So best to have it so it curves down. Close your machine. And then you just want to hit the seal button. Just hold it. I think it shuts off after, eh? There it goes. So just open it back up again. And always check to make sure you got your bottom seal done. The vacuum feature doesn't operate until you actually got both ends. See, now it's completely sealed. So what we're going to do now, it's going to be a short interruption because I don't want to get the machine dirty because the bacon juice is a little bit on this package. I can't get it open now. There you go. We're just going to simply slide this in here. And I'll be right back with you. I'm just going to wash my hands. Okay, and we're back. Got the hands washed. Made sure I did it for 30 seconds. I didn't know how to wash hands until a couple of years ago, apparently. Okay, so we're just going to want to stick this in. We'll just move this back a touch. So I have this hanging over. You only kind of want it so it kind of curves down. It's best. It's about to there. As far as you can fit this in, possibly. Going to lock your machine again. This time you're going to hit the back seal at the very end. You're going to see this suck right down. Here we go. Okay, we just got to wait for that light to shut off. This one here is going to shut off. This takes a few seconds. You just got to be patient. Yeah, food prices, even up here in Canada, I don't know about the States, but they basically doubled. Somebody's buying a yacht or a mansion. Okay, so did that seal properly? Seems a little loose still. It looks like we got a little bit of a thing there. It didn't seal all the way, so let's just try it again. Oh yeah, I pushed out some juice into this tray. So let's just give her another try. Maybe I didn't have it in far enough. What could be happening is pulling the juices so hard out of it. It's where it's trying to seal. We'll see this time. Hopefully this got it. Okay, and oh, I didn't see that. There's a dry moist setting. Maybe you're supposed to click this on moist. Well, if it doesn't work this time, we'll try the selector switch here. I've never tried doing bacon before. Yeah. We'll just try it anyhow to make sure. Try it one more time. Third time's a charm, they say. Let's push it in a little bit further. Put it on moist. Now we'll try it. You see it just pulling the juices up. I thought for a second, oh, the bottom's French. Okay, it's my mistake. Okay, and it should be any second here now. There we go. Oh yeah, that's much better. Let's just take a piece of paper towel and see here. A little bit of juice come out because I can fill it on the package. And see, it goes into this little tray here. That's bacon juice, so this stuff is very dangerous. I'm just going to dump it down the drain for now. I'll have to throw this in the dishwasher. Don't ever put your hands in your mouth or anything. I'll have to wipe this, sanitize it. But that's been about it for this one. A couple mistakes made, but hey, I'm not perfect. I'm only human. I know there's probably other people out there that are perfect, but I haven't met him yet. Okay, so until next time, been TripleChip here for Unbox the Box. This one's over, so we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!